Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change leverage on Tradingview paper trading. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So currently we are on the main Tradingview page. From here we're going to search for whatever currency or crypto you might want to trade in, so for example Binance. And then from here make sure that you are connected to the paper trading. If it's showing something else from here, then simply click on the logout and then click on the paper trading and make sure to click on connect. Once you have that done, you will have your account connected and you have your orders, history, account history, and everything. Now from here, once you have whatever currency you might want, go to this little settings button in here. And as you can see, you can check the leverage. So for stocks, features, forex, crypto, and others, future and options, and others. And if you have anything that you have seen that you might have done anything wrong, then you can simply click on reset account and everything will be just fine. And that is pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.